Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to delete your search history on Google Chrome. Let's launch the app. You want to make sure that you have the latest updated version. On the lower right corner you will see the three dots menu. You want to click on this. Then you want to scroll down and you want to see the option that it says clear browsing data. This is going to delete everything that you browse or everything that you search on the search bar on the actual public profile. This is simply going to erase all the data, all the search queries that you did. So this means that everything that you searched previously and you try to save, the only way to save it is if you actually bookmark the website or bookmark a particular pages. Aside from that, everything else will be deleted, everything else will be erased. So you want to make sure that before you clearing your browsing data, you saved up all the pages that you're checking on a daily basis, and you want to make sure that you save your login with these pages. Otherwise, you want to make sure that this is part of your saved passwords in actual Google Chrome. Subscribe and follow for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to clear browsing data on Google Chrome, and we're going to do this on the iPhone itself. First of all, you want to have the shortcut on Google Chrome on your app over here. When you click this one, you want to scroll and click on the three dots on the lower right corner, and you want to scroll all the way to the button where it says clear browsing data. This is the fourth option in the second menu. When you click clear browsing data, you simply will have the option to clear not only individual, but you can select a particular time range. So you can clear everything that you actually searched during the last hour, something that you just recently searched, right? And you want to clear, but you don't want to wipe out the whole search queries that you already generated, because you might have some important information or websites or pages that you previously found or used. You can select a 24-hour period, which is 1 day. You can select the last week, last 4 weeks, which is a month, and essentially you can wipe out everything all time. This is why you want to make sure that you're fully aware of the different options and how you can actually clear your browsing data. You don't want to go about deleting what you searched for the last week and essentially delete all of your search queries, right? This is very important. Second thing is that you want to make sure that you know that you can actually, first of all, clear your cached images and files, which will help you to clear up some space. So the question is, do you want to hide what you search for, or you just want to make some space on your device? Also very important is that you want to make sure that you do have your passwords saved as well, aside from the browsing data. You want to make sure that the passwords will remain logged in and saved up, because you don't want to have 100 different logins and signups and then you wiped out everything, including the data and search queries. Then you have to manually input the 100 different plus passwords and logins, right? You want to make sure you check all this information prior you actually choose which items and how long in terms of range you want to delete or simply clear your browsing data. Subscribe and follow for more. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can clear your cache on your incognito mode on Google Chrome. This is something that a lot of people have been looking for, but they still cannot find the answer to it, okay? So if you ever search something on your incognito, okay, no matter what, you still have certain history that was saved behind your search queries, okay? And in this video, guys, I'm gonna show you how you can actually delete your cache history. So first thing, you want to go on the search bar, okay guys, and I want you to type with me. First thing, you want to type Chrome, okay, you want to do the two dots next after it, okay, then you want to do the two slashes on the side. After that you want to include net, then you want to include dash, and then you want to write internals, another slash, and then you want to click that sign and then you want to do DNS. This is what and where you guys have to go. When you go on this side over here, you're going to be able to essentially click on the DNS option, and you will have this DNS lookup. Okay, so inside you can look for particular domain, or you can simply go down and host resolver cache and simply click on the clear host cache. This is how you're going to clear any data that was previously stored based on your search queries inside the actual incognito mode. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more.